Want to capture stunning aerial footage, but confused by all the drone options out there? After testing countless models, we've narrowed down the 5 best drones available on Amazon that truly deliver amazing results. From beginner-friendly to professional-grade options, we've selected drones that excel in flight time, camera quality, and ease of use. Each drone you'll see has unique features that could be exactly what you need. So I recommend watching the complete list. You'll find all the links with the best updated prices in the description. Let's begin. Let me tell you about the Blind Global Positioning System drone. I've been testing it for a while, and there's quite a bit to unpack here. The 4,000 pixel camera setup is really impressive, especially with that 3-axis gimbal. You know those shaky drone videos we all hate? Yeah, this pretty much eliminates that. What I really love is the larger complementary metal oxide semiconductor sensor. It makes a huge difference when you're shooting during sunset or in darker conditions. One thing that's been a game changer for me is the battery life. You get 3 batteries in the box, which gives you about 75 minutes of total flight time. Trust me, when you're out there trying to get the perfect shot, having that extra time makes all the difference. Now, I should mention, the first setup can be a bit tricky. I spent some time figuring out the controls, and a few of my viewers have mentioned similar experiences. But here's the good part. Blind's support team is actually really helpful. They got back to me within a day when I had questions. What's really cool about this drone is how it handles different conditions. I've tested it in some pretty windy situations, and it holds up really well. We're talking level 6 wind resistance here. The global positioning system features are super reliable too. The return to home feature has saved me more than once when I flew a bit too far, and the follow me mode is great for solo shoots. The application is pretty straightforward. You can live stream your flights directly to social media, if that's your thing. They've also included some basic editing features, which are handy for quick uploads. Nothing fancy, but definitely useful. For what you're getting, the drone, 3 batteries, all the accessories, and a 2-year warranty, I think the value is solid. It's not the cheapest drone out there, but it's definitely worth considering if you're serious about aerial photography. Bottom line, the Blind Global Positioning System drone hits that sweet spot between features and usability. If you want to check it out yourself, I've put a link with current pricing in the description below. Let's dive into the Redri drone camera. 4,000 kilopixels, global positioning system, brushless, a model that's been making waves recently. The standout feature is UNW, the 4,000 kilopixels anti-shake camera, which delivers exceptional quality for its price. We've all seen those jittery drone videos that can be quite nauseating, but this drone handles them with ease. I tested it on a particularly blustery day, and the footage remained impressively steady. The image clarity is sharp, and you can adjust the camera angle mid-flight, which is a huge plus when you're aiming for those cinematic shots. The global positioning system capabilities are a lifesaver, especially if you've ever experienced the panic of a misbehaving drone. Think of it as a safety net if the battery runs low, or you lose connection. It automatically returns to you. This feature alone can save you a lot of anxiety during flights. Now, let's address the range. While it doesn't match the reach of drones priced over $1,000, it offers about 500 meters, which is sufficient for most filming needs. However, if you're looking to capture footage from a greater distance, you might need to explore other options. One of the most impressive aspects is the battery life. The package includes TWO batteries, providing around 45 minutes of total flight time. As someone who's been flying drones for years, I can tell you that's quite remarkable for this price bracket. You can complete a shooting session without the hassle of frequent battery changes. The controls are user-friendly, making it a great choice for beginners. Features like one-key start and global positioning system-assisted flying make it less daunting to operate compared to some other models. Plus, its lightweight design means you can skip the Federal Aviation Administration registration process, which is always a bonus. In summary, the Redri offers many features you'd expect from higher-end drones, without the hefty price tag. It's ideal for those venturing into aerial photography or anyone wanting a dependable drone to capture special moments. Check out the link in the description for current pricing and more details. Let's dive into the CHUBORY 77 4K drone, a model that's been generating quite a buzz, and after spending some quality time with it, I can see why it's getting so much attention. One of the standout features of this drone is its remarkable stability in the air. It comes equipped with brushless motors, which might not sound thrilling at first, but when you're navigating through a gusty day and your drone remains steady, you'll appreciate the difference. I've flown it in some fairly windy conditions, and it impressively holds its ground. A major highlight for me is the battery setup. The package includes 3 batteries, providing a total flight time of around 84 minutes. If you've ever experienced the frustration of a drone running out of power mid-flight, you'll understand how valuable this is. It allows for extended sessions without the constant worry of recharging. The camera is another strong point, especially considering the price. It features a 4K camera with a 130-degree wide-angle lens. I've captured some stunning images, particularly during the golden hour, when the colors are most vibrant. The wide-angle lens is perfect for those expansive landscape shots that everyone loves. Now, let's address a couple of potential concerns. If you're transitioning from a high-end drone, you might find the camera controls somewhat basic. Additionally, charging 3 batteries can be time-consuming. However, for those new to drone photography or seeking a dependable everyday flyer, these are minor inconvenience. Here's a practical advantage. The drone weighs under TWO 149 grams, so you can skip the registration hassle. Plus, it folds down compactly, making it easy to toss into a backpack for weekend adventures. After extensive use, I can confidently say the A77 strikes a perfect balance between features and ease of use. It's not competing with the top-tier drones, but it doesn't need to. It's reliable, captures great footage, and is genuinely enjoyable to fly. If you're in the market for a drone that delivers without breaking the bank, this one is definitely worth considering. Check out the link in the description for the latest pricing on Amazon. Let's dive into the CHUBORY GPS drone, a gadget that's been part of my routine for a few weeks now, and there's plenty to discuss. If you're in the United States, you'll appreciate that it weighs less than half a pound, which means you can skip the Federal Aviation Administration registration hassle. This makes it incredibly convenient to just fold it up and take it wherever you go. Perfect for capturing those unexpected moments. The camera is a real highlight here. With a 4000 kHz ultra-high definition resolution, it genuinely delivers impressive clarity. I was pleasantly surprised by the quality of the landscape shots I captured. The wide-angle lens provides ample scope for creativity, and you can adjust the camera angle via the application or remote, which is a huge plus when you're aiming for that perfect shot. One of the standout features is the brushless motors. If you've flown drones before, you'll know how irritating that high-pitched noise can be. These motors are quieter and handle windy conditions better than I anticipated. Plus, the package includes 3 batteries, giving you about 25 to 30 minutes per battery. This means you can enjoy up to an hour and a half of flight time, which is fantastic for extended sessions. Now, let's be honest. If you're aiming for professional-grade video, you might need something more advanced. I did notice some limitations in low-light conditions, and the camera controls aren't as precise as those on high-end models. However, for most people just starting with drone photography or looking for a reliable everyday drone, these aren't deal-breakers. What really impressed me during testing was the global positioning system stability. The dual positioning system ensures it remains steady both indoors and outdoors, and the return home feature has been a lifesaver a couple of times when I ventured too far. There's a bit of a learning curve, but once you get the hang of the controls, it's quite intuitive. In conclusion, for the price, this drone offers more than I initially expected. The combination of good flight time, stable footage, and user-friendly features makes it a great choice, especially for those venturing into aerial photography. I've included a link to the current price in the description below, so check it out if you're interested. Next up, we have the Holy Stone 4000 kilopixels Global Positioning System drone, which has genuinely impressed me given its affordability. If you're new to drone photography, capturing those stunning aerial views can be daunting. Thankfully, this drone simplifies the process with its 4000 kilopixels camera and adjustable wide-angle lens, making it easier to get those perfect shots. One of the standout features is the Global Positioning System Auto Return, which acts like a safety net. If you lose connection or the battery runs low, the drone automatically returns to you. This is incredibly reassuring when you're still learning the ropes. Plus, the package includes TWO batteries, offering a total flight time of about 46 minutes, so you can enjoy extended flying sessions. Now, let's be honest. Battery typically lasts between 20 to 25 minutes, which is slightly less than the advertised 30 minutes. However, having a spare battery minimizes downtime, as you can charge charge one while using the other, keeping you in the air longer. What truly sets this drone apart for beginners is its user-friendly nature. The altitude hold feature keeps it stable, and the one-key takeoff, landing makes the trickiest parts of flying a breeze. I've been experimenting with the Follow Me mode and waypoint navigation, which add creative flair to your footage, especially if you're into outdoor adventures or want to capture dynamic tracking shots. Another aspect I love is its travel-friendly design. It folds down compactly and is lightweight enough to avoid Federal Aviation Administration registration, making it ideal for trips and hikes. While it lacks advanced features like obstacle avoidance found in pricier models, for under $200 United States dollars, it offers exceptional value. It's a reliable choice for those eager to explore aerial photography without a hefty investment. In summary, the Holy Stone 4000 kilopixels Global Positioning System drone is a fantastic option for anyone looking to dive into drone photography without breaking the bank. Its combination of EAC of use, safety features, and portability makes it a top contender in its price range. Check out the link in the description for the latest pricing and specifications.